Hey guys, this is how to change URL domain name in Wix. So guys, there are actually two ways in order for you to do that. So for the first option is just click over here to your profile icon and go to account settings. And from here on the account settings, you should be able to see here site URL prefix. So from here, you can actually change your site URL as you can see over here. And now just make the necessary changes and click on save over here. So now guys, for the second option that you have is just simply go ahead and go over here to all sites and click on go to all sites over here. And after that, just simply click on the three dots over here, the site actions, and you'll be able to see here rename site. And from here, just simply provide the site that you prefer, the site name, and just click on save once you are done. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.